Look at beam. All right, we have a price target up here of 5.4. We're going to take a look at a couple things here and see if that is if that's going to happen here or what's going on down in here with this move that we're currently at. Today we are 7.72% down at a price of 0.036684. All right, so we're down 7% on a correction today. If we go over here and look at the crypto bubbles real quick, you can see here quite a bit of stuff. Got some stuff popping green here. Looks like Bitcoin might have found a bottom. We were trading that this morning in Discord. Not Bitcoin, we were trading other stuff, but I've been watching Bitcoin all morning. Did this huge spike up and then right back down. It was crazy. Let me show you this here on this chart real quick. Let's go in on a 15-minute. Look at this crazy wick. All right, we were trading this thing. You had down sloping resistance here. I'm just giving you an idea. I have a chart over there that has it perfectly, but you had a level here, and then it ended up breaking out. Okay, and everybody thought, oh geez, go long. And look at this bearish engulfing candle. This is on a 15-minute chart. Look at this big sell order right there, 415 Bitcoin, and it just plummeted down. Looks like pure manipulation to me, but we nailed the bottom. Absolutely, this thing ended up doing a big this is a big A, B up to the top, C pattern down here, or not up to the top, I apologize, A, B to here, and the C down here. Measured it out perfectly. We put a line there and it bounced right off of it. We took some longs at the bottom. If that's something you're interested, guys, we have a membership level 3 for $14.99. You get 22 videos over there, 9 hours worth of videos, and a link to our Discord, all right, where we're over there trading every day. If it's something that interests you, please sign up. We have 199 members. I can't thank you guys enough, seriously. I never dreamed that, so that's incredible. So if you're interested, please come join us. We'd love to have you over there. That Discord is awesome. All right, now as far as beam goes, we've had this push up here. You can clearly see a wave 1, 2 right here. Sticks out big time. Okay. Now if this is a 5-wave move here, this wave 3 should be your longest wave in the move. All right, wave 3 is always longest. It cannot be the shortest, and this thing should be moving. All right, so if we look at the RSIs, the 4-hour is still coming down. All right, you got let's take a look. Your 1 hour here is bullish. It's actually turning up. You can see how we lost that trend line right here, and it just rolled right over. All right, let's look at the higher time frames. Geez, had a hard time getting that out. The 8-hour is heading down. It's moving right down to the moving average down here, so maybe we'll get a bounce off that. We have a green 8-hour candle started here. All right, you can see the blue line starting to curve a little bit here. All right, the 12-hour, 79 and a 91. We have a red candle on that. The daily is actually a 63 and a 54. Look at it hooking over there a little bit. That's from obviously from price action pushing down today. Got a hook started on this thing, showing a little bit of weakness, but it's coming right down. Looks like it might bounce off that moving average and continue up. Now let me blow this up a little bit. Now you see that wave 1, 2 right in here. You got a 1, 2 right in here, and so a push up here. Sorry about that. That's Discord right there. I didn't realize I still had it open, but you clearly got a wave 1, 2 and a 3 starting here. It could be a 4th wave pullback and then a 5th wave up there, but that would make, I don't know. Yeah, I think that would be a little bit too short. Now if we measure these out, there's a couple things lining up together here. Okay, if we take the trend-based fib, I'm not going to use these wicks. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, that would give us, look at that, the price right around 5.3. Okay, that's right around our white line there. And if we use the regular Fibonacci, this is how you look for a 5th wave. I teach all that stuff in them. Put it on top here. I'm trying to get it as close as I can. Good enough. You know, that gives us a target about 5.4. All right, so the trend-based fib and the regular fib are given targets. We're right up in this area. All right, so it could be just a a pullback. You're not going to have a straight line up here. It's going to zigzag, like this it does here. Nothing. That's the thing with these, Even when you're trading, when you're longing or shorting over there, you got to give this stuff room to breathe, room to move. You always have a push up and you always have a push back. A push up, a push back, a push up, a push. It's just the way it goes. Once in a while you'll get lucky, like this run here. Whew, that's on the daily, though. That's a daily chart. If you went in on a 1 hour, you'd see stuff like, like this and zigzagging back and forth. And most of the time, on a bullish move, of course they teach all this stuff, over there in the trading, but just a little tip, if you put a fib on this thing, and put it at the top. If you're trading and you get your run up right here, your pullback should stop, 618, 702, and you should get your next bounce. Okay, that's how it works. You want to give that room to breathe. You don't want to have your stop loss up here, and then miss the pullback and the push up. But anyway, that's what we're looking for with Beam here, guys. We'll see what happens here. A good way to tell is that 618. If we get rejected there, then it's time to look at some other stuff here. But you can see the 702. We got rejected right off that. So we need a break of that 702 level, which is at price level, up around, call it 4 cents. We need a break above that to make sure this is a 5-wave up. We need a break above 4 cents and a daily close up there, and then we should be heading up to higher prices. But you need that 4 cents first. All right, that's the big sign. If we can't break 4 cents here in the next day or two, then I would start to worry and think maybe this is a big ABC. So we'll see what happens here. But right now, you got your daily still bullish. Your 3-day. Look at that, 3 days just turned up, a 13 and a 12, it's bullish. So things look good for Beam. I need Bitcoin to have a push here, Looks like close to $80,000 for the next push for Bitcoin. 81 or 82, I think it was, that I seen on my chart. So keep an eye on Beam here, all right? 4 cents, need to break that. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.